Hi, I'm Ellie from Ellie Japan Beauty. Welcome back to my beauty channel. Today I'm ranking my rare beauty products from most used to least used. Please let me know in the comments if you are using any of these products and how you like them. So the one that I used every single day is their most popular product. It's the liquid blush, and especially the shade Adore. This has been my favorite ever since I bought it. So I live in Japan, but I'm currently visiting my home country, Finland, and these are the 3 liquid blushes that I brought with me. So Adore is a pink shade, and Charm has a little bit coral, and then Fate is a purple one. And these 2 are dewy finish, and this one is the only matte finish I brought with me. I usually prefer the dewy one. Here are the liquid blushes swatched. So from the top, Adore, Charm and Fate. So this one has been my favorite. Hence I brought the big bottle with me. The only thing with the travel size is that I feel like it's already leaking, but I feel like these leak easier than the big ones. So next time I don't think I will be bringing the travel sizes with me. I will just bring the big ones. And next one is my brow pencil. So I use this for my brows and also for under eye, lining the under eye. This is in the shade Cool Brown. I really like how easy it is to use. It has kind of like a square tip. And next one is the liquid contour. I have this in the shade Solace. It's a nice cool brown shade. I feel like it's really difficult to find contours that are really cool shades. So this is one of those. This one I also use almost every single day unless I'm in a really big hurry. So I just use this around my face and on my chin as well. I think I bought this September last year and I still have almost the whole bottle left. So this has a really great cost performance as well. Next one are the eyeshadow sticks. So these are really easy, one-step eyeshadow. I have the shades Adventure and Compassion. I have one more, but the writing has worn off. I think this is like a copper shade. And the one that I used almost every day is the shade called Adventure. So it's this brown. I'm wearing it today as well. And then the next one are the Rare Beauty brushes. So this one I use for the liquid blush and also for the liquid contour. It's really easy to blend because it kind of has this angle here. So it fits to the cheek and also to the chin here. And then I have concealer brush and also eyeshadow brush. I actually haven't used the Rare Beauty concealer yet. So I'm using this for my Sephora concealer and also the Tarte concealer. And the next one I'm also wearing today. So this one is the lip oil in the shade Wonder. I'm using the Pat McGraw lipstick underneath in the shade Nude Romantic 2. And then I have the lip oil on top of the lipstick. Here is the lip oil in Wonder. It's a nice pink shade. And here it is next to the Pat McGraw. So this is my lip combo today. And when I wipe it off, it kind of leaves this stain. This only have 3 ml of product in this. I feel like I go through this really fast. So I wouldn't say the cost performance is great on these. But I really like how moisturizing they feel on the lips. And the next one is the Rare Beauty perfume. I have the travel size. So this one I have clearly used. I only have about half a bottle left. It's a bit too sweet for me, for everyday use. It has kind of like this vanilla scent. The scent is somehow really nostalgic to me. So I really like using this every now and then. And since it is a travel size, I brought it with me to Finland. And the next one is travel size as well. It's the hand cream. I'm almost through this one. I only have a little bit left. And I actually had the full size of this as well. But I prefer this one because I can use every last drop of this, whereas the full size, it's kind of like a triangle and it's a bit harder to squeeze once you get to the end. So I really like this mini one. And then last one I brought with me is the lip liner. This would have been higher up on my list, but the fact that it broke and I didn't get as much use out of it is the reason why it's last one on my list. It's a really pretty shade, but it broke completely. So I don't think I'll be able to use this one anymore. I wouldn't recommend bringing this with you to travel, since I think it breaks quite easily. So that concludes my Rare Beauty list. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you would like to see more of these beauty videos, and I will see you next time.